everyone, Daisy here with another layout for Spiegelmom Scraps. Unfortunately, my video did not record, so I'm just going to do a quick kind of share of this layout. So, yeah, I'm just trying to see. I can't really tell if, oh, it seems to be okay. So I started out with this background paper, and this is just a white piece of cardstock, and I used some of the Nuvo glitter paste and put it through a stencil. And this is a stencil that I made using a cut file from Paige Evans, and I know it's a little hard to see because of the lighting here, but yeah, you can kind of see it. It's very glittery in person. And I also did a spray of the shaded lilac distress oxide spray, just for a little extra little something there. I backed the cut file or the paper with just a piece of purple cardstock, and then I decided to go with like a purple theme. So I used this paper from Chamel. Is it Sparkle City? I don't remember. Not the newest one, but I think the one before that. And I'm sorry, I think I'm gonna sneeze here. Oh, excuse me. So I had a little bit of this paper left, so I used it here. I had cut it in half because I was going to use it for something else, and then I kind of glued it back together. This is the back side of that paper, and I just created like a little cluster here. It turned out to be like monochromatic. I was not actually aiming for that when I started this, but it kind of ended up that way. So this and this is the branding strip off of the bottom of this paper, and then I pulled out my other like Chamel box of die cuts and whatnot. And so I got this card, which I think was from Glitter Girl. This I think was from Sparkle City. The pigeons were from Sparkle City. The flowers were from her newest collection. And then I believe these are holographic thickers that might have been from this collection as well, because I think there's a big one that says Sparkle. So it's holographic, and then I pulled some stars in off of that thicker sheet as well. And then came the fun part of the sequins. I know I don't have a photo yet. I just ordered some more photos. My my Canon selfie is not working very well. It keeps like smearing or something, and I don't know how to fix it. I've tried and it's just not working. So yeah, I don't know how to fix it, but I ordered more photos, and they should be here hopefully soon, and then I can add them here. And I'll post a picture of this with the photos on it so you can see it. But I chose to use two different sequin mixes, and these are some of the new ones. This is called Gypsy Soul, and this is Penguin Suit. And I used these large holographic circles from the Penguin Suit. Now this is like an awesome mix because, I mean, they're black and gray, and I mean, go with everything, right? And then Gypsy Soul is was designed by Christina, and just some of my favorite colors, the teal and the purples and the light pinks. So I pulled some of the purples and the pinks out, and then there's also these little purple flowers in there that I pulled out as well. And yeah, so I did 3 of the big holographic sequins, one behind here, and one here, and then added a whole bunch of other sequins around. Sequins make the perfect little touch for basically any like embellishment cluster. It really finishes off the page. It makes it look, to me, it makes it look complete. Like, I know that it's finished. It feels like I have something in all the areas that I need, and it really pulls it together. So again, I'm sorry my video didn't record. I just don't know what happened, but hopefully I'll have more videos coming for you soon. Don't forget you can use my code Daisie15 for 15% off your next purchase in the shop. It works on everything pretty much except for the pre-orders, because there is already a discount built into the pre-orders, because every month if you order one of the pre-orders, I think you get 20% off of the entire like all of the month's releases. But yeah, so anyhow, this is what I created. I hope you enjoyed. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and I will see you again next time. Bye.